In the quiet, dusty plains of Boca Chica, Texas, a revolution is unfolding. Led by entrepreneur Elon Musk, SpaceX is not just building rockets, it's scripting humanity's next great chapter, colonizing Mars. And at the heart of that vision lies Mars. SpaceX's journey didn't begin with Starship. It began with a dream and disappointment. In the early 2000s, Musk tried buying Russian rockets to send a greenhouse to Mars. Dismissed and overpriced. The goal: affordable, reusable rockets that could one day carry humans to the Red Planet. Nearly 2 decades later, that wild idea is now within reach. At the center of it all is Starship, a massive stainless steel spacecraft that stands. Starship is the largest, most powerful rocket system ever built. What sets it apart isn't just its size, it's its mission. Unlike NASA's Artemis or China's lunar plans, Starship isn't for short visits. It's designed to build. The path hasn't been easy. Early Starship tests, from SN1 to SN15, ended in fiery crashes. But failure was part of the plan. SpaceX's fail fast approach gathers real data with every test. But why Mars and why now? Musk believes Earth is fragile. One disaster, be it nuclear war or an asteroid, could end us. Mars offers a lifeline. Not for escape but survival. It's close enough to reach, but far enough to preserve. The roadmap to Mars is more than rockets. Musk envisions fleets of starships refueling in orbit before heading to Mars. Early missions in the 2030s will be uncrewed, carrying cargo, robots, and infrastructure. Solar panels, launch windows open every 26 months. Mars is no paradise. No air to breathe, harsh radiation, bone-freezing cold. But solutions are in motion. Underground shelters, artificial gravity, and closed-loop life support. His vision: a thriving Martian city of over 1 million people by century's end. A real city, with homes, schools, factories, and entertainment. To build it, thousands of starships will be needed. Each carrying 100 tons of cost is a challenge. But Starship's full reusability could cut expenses drastically. Musk even mentions a target ticket price: around $100,000 per person. For pioneers, that's the cost of a new life. To help fund it all, Starlink generates billions annually. Each internet dish sold supports Mars missions. Critics say Mars is a vanity project. But with Starship and Starlink, the business model is shockingly sustainable. Every satellite launched brings. In 2021, NASA picked Starship to land astronauts on the Moon. That lunar mission will serve as a dress rehearsal for Mars. Habitat testing, surface operations, and life support systems are being refined. The Moon is approving. Still, not everyone is convinced. Some say Mars is too risky, too expensive, too premature. Why terraform Mars when we can't fix Earth? Musk is blunt. The first settlers might die. Mars won't be comfortable. It'll be a front. Musk's timelines are famously bold. He once predicted a Mars landing by 2024. Now even 2030s seem ambitious. But look at the progress. Starship is flying. Every launch inches us closer. In a world where, beyond Mars, Musk dreams even bigger. Exploring moons of Jupiter and Saturn. Even sending ships to other stars. Sounds like science fiction, but the groundwork is being laid. It's about boldness, the refusal to settle. Before SpaceX, Mars was fantasy. Now it's a real engineering challenge. In steel, flame, and ambition. Children born today might live on another world. And when Earth faces crisis, environmental, geopolitical, or worse. So, as rockets roar over Boca Chica and countdowns echo into the sky, one thing is clear. The journey to Mars has already begun. It won't be easy. It won't be quick. But it will be historic. And one day, under a red sky,